What are 5 words you should use more in public speaking and presentations? Let's find out. So by the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The first word you want to use more often, you. You. You is really people's favorite word, second favorite word, right after their name, right after their name. And the word you, yeah, if you watch any speakers, if you watch any presenters and speakers use the word you a lot, right? They create this personal connection with the audience. So for you as well, for your presentations, for your speeches, you want to use the word you more often. Fun test to do if you want to. If you have a video recording of a past speech or past presentation that you've delivered, look through it, go through it, and check how often do you use the word you with your audience. Word number 2 is the word imagine. Imagine, right? The word imagine immediately opens up your audience's mind. It is the ultimate word for storytelling, right? Imagine what it would be like if we did this. Imagine what it would feel like if you did that. Yeah, you can use it in so many ways, but really, if you want to open your audience's mind to new possibilities, to new solutions, yeah, to new options, use the word imagine more. Word number 3, now. Now. Yeah, now creates a sense of urgency. It's a demand for action. Now is our moment. Now we should do something. This is it. Now let's move forward. In the end, what are your presentations all about? What are your speeches all about? In most cases, you want your audience to do something differently afterwards, right? You want to move them towards action. You want to encourage them. You want to inspire them to do something differently. So use the word now more often. Word number 4 is the word because. Yeah, because is really giving a reason to why you want your audience to do something. It gives it reasoning, right? And reasoning, what does it do? It strengthens your key points. And when you strengthen your key points, what happens? It strengthens your persuasiveness, right? We should do it now because our customers wants to move ahead and likes to change or whatever it might be. Every time you use the word because, you give it a stronger reasoning. So use because more often. Word number 5 is really 2 options, or use both, and that is we and together. Yeah, we and together. These words really, they create a sense of community, a sense of community. If you've ever seen speakers or presenters and you watch the audience and you feel the whole audience is one team, that is one way they did it. They use we and together during the presentation, during their speech a lot. Yeah, so if you want to create that one team feeling, we're one unit, we're one community feeling in your audience, use we and together more often. Yeah, we can achieve this together. Yeah, again, there's so many options. I just give you the words here with a couple of examples. For all these words, there are numerous, countless examples of how you can use them. So for this one as well, use we and together more often. So comment down below one time, what was your biggest takeaway? Which of these words are you going to incorporate from now on in your speeches and your presentations? Which are the biggest takeaways and aha moments? Let me know down below. Okay, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.